I have a quick tip for you all today. I'm sure you've had it happen where you're using your iPhone and you're listening to something on Reels or on TikTok or on YouTube, or just anytime you're just browsing online on your phone and you're watching a video and you hear music and you like it, but you don't know what the track is and you want to be able to identify what is that music, what is that song. Here's something you can do. What you're going to need is the Shazam app, and you're going to need to connect your Spotify and or Apple Music account to your Shazam app. And then we need to turn on a setting in Control Center. So we go to Settings, tap on Settings, you scroll down and you see Control Center. You press on that. We're going to scroll down here until we see Music Recognition. It has the Shazam logo or symbol right next to it. Press plus, and now it's been included up here in this group. And we come out of Settings. So how do we use this? Let's say, for example, like in my case, on the YouTube app, I have a GoPro video open. It's a GoPro relaxing drone visuals of Fiji's islands. I press play. Okay, cool. So some very mellow, very relaxing music. I'm like, I like this. I want to be able to save this to be able to listen to later myself and maybe use it in a video that I make. So here's what I'm going to do. While the video is playing, I'm going to swipe from the top right down on the screen. Control Center comes up. You scroll down and you see the Shazam logo. You're going to press that. We're going to come out of Control Center now, swiping up. Now look at that. Right away, a notification comes up. It shows the song is No Trip by Young Community. This is the Shazam notification. So now I'm pressing on that Shazam notification. And again, it takes me to the song page on Shazam, No Trip by Young Community. And it shows a little button here, Spotify Open. I press that. My phone has opened up Spotify. And look at that. At the top, it's the song No Trip by Young Community. And now I can add the playlist and have this saved for later. Done. The great thing with this is that it doesn't matter how you're using your phone in this regard, whether you're using the phone just through normal speaker mode, or if you have AirPods connected, or if you have earpods with a lightning connector, or earphones with a 3.5mm adapter, it doesn't matter. This technique works with all of those. So now you'll be able to find whatever song that was that you heard and that you liked, and you can enjoy it later.